Previously, I made a video on how to make a pizza dough. So this is just a recap, and this is the pizza dough that I use in this same video. I have made this pizza in a frying pan. Now I'm going to use the pizza dough that I have made. If you want to see the recipe, you can see the link in the description box. First, I'm going to divide it into two equal parts. For one, I'm going to make a frying pan pizza, and for the second one, I'm going to make a oven pizza. So right now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the frying pan one. I sprinkled my countertop with a little bit of flour. Try using very less amount of flour as it will harden the crust from beneath. But the thickness and the thin of the crust depends upon the way you like it. I'm going to grease the pan. Next, I'm going to put the dough in the pan, and I'm taking out a few inches of the sides because I'm going to fill the crust with cheese. Guys, the flavor of the pizza that I'm making is tikka. So this was the chicken that I marinated. If you want the recipe for this chicken, I'll add a link in the description box. The chicken was done. I had some masala inside the chicken which I took out separately. I took out the chicken pieces with the fork and took out the masala in this bowl. I have some mushrooms, pizza sauce made at home, olives, chopped onions, some corn and chicken, and I'll be using mixed cheddar and mozzarella. This is the dough that I have put in the frying pan. Now I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese on the corners, and then I'm going to fold it down. Let me show you how. I'm going to start adding the toppings. I'll start with this pizza sauce that I made at home. Next, I'm going to add this chicken masala which was left from the chicken that I cooked. This is optional, and this is just to add a little bit more of tikka flavor. Next, some chopped onions. Next, I'm going to add some chicken. Next, I'm adding some cheese, both of them mozzarella and cheddar. Topping it with some olives. Some sliced mushrooms. And some corn. Now again, I'm going to add some cheese. I'm using this mozzarella cheese now. As all the toppings are done, now I'm going to cover it and cook it on stove, but beneath this I'm going to put a tawa. I'll show you how. And I'm going to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes, but I'm going to check in between and I'll show you. This is how you're going to put your frying pan. And next I'm going to show you that I checked in between. It's cooking and it's changing color. I'm just going to cook it a few more minutes, like 5 minutes more. This is after 20 minutes. So I think 25 minutes is enough. You can see how I'm cooking it. And next I'll show you after it's done. Now it's done, and you can see its color. It has a good color. I'm going to take it out in a plate and cut it. It is coming off very easily. It is not sticking to the bottom at all. And it's very hot right now. It was very hot, so I couldn't cut it properly, but I want to show you from the beneath how it's cooked. So it's cooked very well. It has a golden brown color. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.